Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a practical skill to share with you, how to refill our basic mechanical pencils with lead. Whether you're a student, artist, or simply someone who loves precision in their writing, knowing how to refill your pencil is a valuable skill. When it comes to refilling your mechanical pencil, choosing the right lead is crucial. You want to make sure the lead size matches the mechanical pencil you are using, and here we are using 0.7mm lead for these 3 mechanical pencils in this video. The first mechanical pencil we have is a 2-in-1 mechanical pencil and 4 fashion colored pen with grip. To use the pencil, simply click down. Seeing that we don't have any lead in it, let's refill it. So to refill this mechanical pencil, we are going to insert it through the pencil itself. This will be a little difficult, so be patient and careful when refilling. You're also going to push down on the pencil to allow the lead to go in easily. Next, we have our crown mechanical pencil. For this one, we separate the pencil like this and insert the lead through the tube. Once you insert the lead, close back together the pencil, and to use the pencil, press down on the button. Lastly, we have our electromechanical pencil. Everyone is probably familiar with this type of mechanical pencil. Simply take off the eraser and insert your lead. After that's done, put back on the eraser and you're ready to write. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge and skills to confidently refill your mechanical pencil with lead. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more stationery related content. Thanks for watching and happy refilling!